Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. So, let us quickly have a recap of what we have learned in our previous class. Wanda Petronsky not coming to school is revealed, and the Petronsky's family decided to move to another city where no one would care about Wanda's unfamiliar name. And in the meanwhile, Maddie and Peggy realize that they have done a wrong thing, teasing, taunting, and bullying Wanda. So they thought that they had got a very good chance to make any changes. To apologize. So they reached Boggan's Height where Wanda lived, but they couldn't find anyone there. Why? Because Wanda's family had already left to another city. So let's see what happens in this part. Please open textbook First Flight, page 76, The 100 Dresses, part 2, and the videos also part 2. Yes, children? Now here it's understood the Petronskis had gone to another city, and why they had gone is maybe Wanda was hurt that she was taunted by Peggy and Maddie for her unfamiliar name. Now here you already know that Peggy and Maddie go to Boggan's Heights to apologize to Wanda, and they are returning back as they don't find anybody staying in that house. And now here Peggy starts talking like she's trying to comfort herself, saying that Wanda took the dresses game as an inspiration. See how positive she is. She feels that Wanda actually has taken that dresses game. Means they were asking her, no, how many dresses do you have? Then Wanda would be replying to them that she had 100 dresses in her closet. Yes, so she was saying my game was like an inspiration to her. That's why she could draw so many dresses drawings, and she could win the prize very easily. So this was a nice way of patching up for the mistake she has done. Yes, I hope you understood. Now, Maddie also was trying to get convinced what Peggy was saying. Means she was assuring herself that thank God Wanda did not feel bad. But later that night, when she was sleeping, she couldn't sleep as she was constantly thinking about Wanda's house and her faded blue dress. Though her house and the blue dress looked shabby, they were clean, and she was also thinking about her 100 dresses in the closet and the 100 dresses paintings. Everything was coming to her mind. She could not sleep properly. So she sits up in her bed and she starts pressing her head tight, like as if she's thinking deeply. Now Maddie, at last she comes to a conclusion that if anything wrong is happening before her, she's not going to support it, but she's going to detest it. Means she's going to say no. Why she's saying this is, she decides this is because she knows that Peggy, when she was teasing Wanda, Wanda was feeling hurt, but she could not express that to Peggy because she was scared that she might lose her friendship. Yes. So, and now she also was thinking that as she can't go to the past, now if she can't go to the past and make any changes, no, so she was thinking that she was not going to repeat the same mistake of teasing anyone and anybody feeling bad or unhappy or embarrassed when they are being teased. So, very good decision she has taken, no? So, let's check the next one. Now, it was Saturday, and Maddie and Peggy sit together and decide to write a letter to Wanda. What kind of letter it would be? Maybe they want to apologize and ask her to forgive for the mistake they have done. Now here they were talking about her drawings, where she was living, and telling her, no, they were planning, still they were planning to tell her that her drawings were wonderful and where she was living in that new city. where she went to, and they were asking about her new teacher in school, and how badly they want to apologize to her. But both of them couldn't get the courage to express all these things in the letter. They ended up writing something else, like they just wrote a friendly letter to her, as if Wanda was their good friend. And what did they do? They mailed it to Boggins Heights only, because they don't know her, the new place where she's staying, no? And they have written on the envelope or the letter on it that please forward. It is their children that in the post office, it's the duty of the thing is to wherever it is, I think it will be going. So they have written it, please forward, written it on it, because they didn't know her new address. So children, what do you think? Will Wanda reply? Yeah, there was no reply from Wanda, as we expected. And what happened? Now here Maddie became very restless, and she starts imagining so many things about Wanda, and she starts coming to conclusions that Wanda might have received the letter, and she's very upset with both Peggy and Maddie, and that's why she didn't answer. So she was going on imagining so many things. But on the other hand, what did Peggy do? She just ignored. She didn't bother also that whether Wanda replied to the letter they have written, and she forgot about the whole thing. But what was Maddie doing? She was going on imagining, and in that imagination, she imagined this. What did she imagine? As if there was Wanda over there, and few girls surrounded Wanda, and they would ask her, how many dresses have you got? And before Wanda would say anything, now Maddie would interrupt and shout at them, stop, so that all the girls could feel ashamed. So this is all her imagination, that she was feeling bad for teasing Wanda. So let's check the next one. Now it was Christmas time. There was snow everywhere, and the students decorated their classroom with bells and small Christmas tree. And Miss Mason also was present over there, and she was very happy. In the starting of the lesson, she was a bit worried with the note in her hand from Wanda Petronsky's father. Yes, but now the same way she was quite different now. She was very happy, and the reason for her happiness is she announces that she received a letter from Wanda, and she was thanking God that she had received the letter, as she can send the medal which Wanda received in winning the competition, no, the drawing competition of the girls category. She could hand over the medal to her. Yes, children, I will be continuing in my next video tomorrow. Please do read the textbook for better understanding. Thank you.